Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new processor, the FX-8320. This is an 8-core processor that has 3.5 gigahertz and boosts up to 4 gigahertz, and it has a total of 16 megabytes of cache. Now let's get opening this. Get my scissors, and cut it open, and there we go. Box is open. Carefully opening the box. There we go. Start with this fan. This is just your average old fan. Oh, let's see. Just your basic AMD stock cooler. Coffee sink. You got it here. Nice. It's got pre-applied thermal paste. It's got this braided cable. And I'm going to be getting an aftermarket cooler to overclock this processor. Get this back in the box. Go back in the box. I think I just put it in backwards. Alright. Put that back in there, set that aside. What else do we have? Now, we have our manual here. This just has like warranty information, and probably installation in like 20 different languages. Let's get on to the actual processor now. So here we have our processor. We have the processor here in all its glory. It comes with a little AMD FX sticker. And yeah. So it's got 8 cores, as I said earlier. And I'm going to be building a new gaming computer on this, and I'm going to probably add an RX 480 and 16 gigs of memory with this, and I'll post updates as I get more new parts. Thanks for watching.